I am Dr. Ashok Nayak. I am working as Associate Professor in the Department of ECE, MLR-ITM, Dundigal, Hyderabad. So today I am discussing about review of microprocessor. This subject came from course structure MPMC, microprocessor and microcontrollers. Going to discuss about microprocessor. Microprocessor is the heart of computer system. Microprocessor having many of processes are there: 80, 86, 8088, 80, 186, 80, 286, 80, 386, 80, 486, Pentium and i3 core, i5 core and i7 core. These are microprocessors which designed by Intel company. So is microprocessor only have processor and memory and IO components are connected externally. So these are connected externally, so circuit become a large. So circuit is large, so required power consumption is also very high compared to microcontroller. And due to external components are connected to microprocessor, so operations also more instructions are operated by the microprocessor. And these are basic review of microprocessor. And microprocessors can understand only binary numbers, either 0 or 1, and which is programmable device that accepts digital data input and processes according to instructions and provide results. So without microprocessor, computer system is a dummy system. So microprocessor, any microprocessor consists of ALU, computer system having in terms of ALU, control unit and registers. So which operations on some instructions. So gradually first microprocessor developed in the year of 1971, which is 4-bit microprocessor, and name is Intel 4004 microprocessor, which is world first commercial microprocessor. So second developed Intel 8085 microprocessor, which is second generation of microprocessor, and introduced year 1976, and which is improved instruction set and interrupt support. As similar third generation of microprocessors are Intel 8086, Intel 8088, 80186, 80286. These four microprocessors are 16-bit microprocessor and introduced year in the 1978 to 1982. So these four processors are having 16-bit processors. For example, first is 4-bit processor, 4-bit microprocessor. which operations on only a 4 bits only. For example, any addition with 4 bits only 0, 11, 0, which 4-bit addition with the same 1, 0, 1, 1. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any operations, any logical operations on 4 bits only, which is first generation. Intel 4004 microprocessor can do these 4-bit operations. As similar second generation also, which 8-bit operation. You can add 0, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4-bit, 8 bits or operation on 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. These 8 bits operation, addition operation with first 8 bits. These are do second generation microprocessor, which processor is Intel 8085 microprocessor. So as similar 16-bit microprocessor developed in the year of 1978 to 1982. In this duration of developed these 4 processors. 4th generation processor having also 32-bit microprocessor. As similar up to 11th generation, which are 64-bit microprocessor, which is developed in the year of 2012. So, which is also main feature, major improvement for 22 nanometer manufacturing process, and also other main feature is low power consumption. This is 11th generation and core microprocessor developed by Intel company. So these are various generations of microprocessors, and here other parameters are data bus width, address bus width, and maximum memory capacity of processors, and clock speed, processor speed, and which number of transistors. So data bus is having use, for example, Intel 4004 microprocessor having data bus 4 digits only, 4 digits in the binary form, and address of the data having 12-bit address. It is also in terms of binary digits. For example, 0011 is data bits. For this data bits, address of this data bits 20 bits, 12 bits are address bus. So here, for example, Intel 8085 8 bits of data bits, and address is 16 bit. For example, when we are giving address of data which are stored in memory, and capacity of memory having 4 KB for Intel 4004 microprocessor, and 64 KB for Intel 8085 microprocessor. These, and clock speed is 740 kHz clock speed microprocessor speed for 4004, and 64 KB clock speed 3 to 6 MHz clock speed for Intel 8085. As similar these to all processors up to Pentium processors, and number of transistors 2300 transistors are used to construct Intel 4004 microprocessor. And here 6500 transistors are made for Intel 8085 microprocessor. These, as similar, this total table is features are developed in terms of word length of microprocessors and data bus width, address bus width, and maximum capacity addressable and clock speed number of transistors for all microprocessors. So this is for review of advanced microprocessors. And next one, features of 8086 microprocessor. So which is all parameters we can study before 4 to 5 features are studied about 8086 microprocessor. Here also having memory segments. 8086 microprocessor having memory segments. Each segment capacity 64 KB. And code segment, data segment, stack segment, extra segment. These are memory segments. Each segment capacity size is 64 KB. These general purpose registers also there. For in the general purpose registers are having 16 bits. So this is AX, BX, CX, DX. These are AX is a accumulator register which having 16 bit. So each in that higher level and lower level. AH and AL. AX is a combination of AX, AH and AL. AL is lower bits of AX and AH is higher bits of AX. For example, AX having 8 bits 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. First 4 bits are related to AL, second 4 bits are related to AH, which AX accumulator register consists of 16 bits, AL having 4 bit, AH having 4 bit, total 16 bit, which first register is accumulator register. Similar BX base register, it is also a BX is the combination of BH plus BL. As similar CX count register, it is also a 16-bit register which consists of CX is combination of CH and CL. Next DX. DX also is data register which is also 16-bit register. So which is also a combination of DH and DL. L indicates lower bits, H indicates higher bits. These are general purpose registers. So is pointer registers also there, which pointer registers stock pointer and base pointer. These two pointers also there in the 8086 microprocessor, and index registers source index and destination index. These are two index registers also there. In that having also segment registers also there, code segment and data segment, stack segment, extra segment. These registers also there. These general purpose registers and index registers and segment registers, these all are having in 8086 microprocessor. So flag register, in that flag registers 16-bit flag registers are there. In that 9 flags are active. So clock frequency of 8086 microprocessor 5 megahertz, 8 megahertz, 10 megahertz. This 8086 microprocessor works on 5 megahertz frequency of speed and 8 megahertz frequency, clock frequency, and 10 megahertz clock frequency. So in that 8086 having two stages of pipelining, bus interface unit and execution unit. These two units are to pipelining for 8086 microprocessor. Bus interface unit fetches instructions and access from memory, and execution unit main function is decodes and execute instructions. And 8086 working on maximum mode and minimum mode. So these are main operations on arithmetic operations, logical operations, shift rotate instructions, stack organization. These all are operations, 8086 operations on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any logical operations, and or XOR, not. These are logical operations, and also it works on shift and rotate instructions also. This power supply +5 DC and technology used to construct high performance MOS technology. And it is also, we know, 29,000 transistors are used to construct 8086 microprocessor, and which mainly used typical application of 8086 microprocessor in personal computers or industrial controllers. So this is main review of 8086 microprocessor.